Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to read Aliens and Underpants Save the World, and it was written by Claire Friedman and Ben Court. Here's my favorite page again. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. There you go. Aliens love underpants. It's lucky that they do. For underpants saved our universe. Sounds crazy, but it's true. On one pants pinching mission, the aliens zoomed through space. The spaceships shook and wobbled. Their hearts began to race. Their radars bleeped, their sirens wailed. On came the warning light. Heading straight for planet Earth was one huge meteorite. Meanwhile, on Earth, the scientists had such an awful fright. "What's that?" they gulped in horror. "Picked up on our satellite." The fire engines came racing, police and air rescue too, but with just 4 hours till impact, there was little they could do. Down to Earth the aliens shot, and they jumped out with a shout. No time to lose. If Earth blows up, our underpants supply runs out. They took undies down from clotheslines and raided all the stores. They sneaked inside our houses and pulled bloomers out of drawers. The aliens stitched the underwear and proudly they unfurled the most ginormous pair of underpants made in the whole wide world. They're sewing them all together to make one giant pair, one ginormous pair. Quickly with their spaceships, they stretched the underpants in place, and when the meteor landed, it zoomed back into outer space. See what they did? They bounced it off the underwear. The meteorite had vanished. Gasped the people in surprise. "We thought we saw huge underpants, but we can't believe our eyes." Back at home, the aliens cheered. "Our pants plan was fantastic. We saved the Earth with underpants so stretchy and elastic." So, should your pants go missing, there's no need to make a fuss. Let the aliens have their fun. They've done so much for us. See if you can find the alien in this page. There's the end. I hope you enjoyed Aliens and Underpants Save the World.